Anim lang.
40 na. Iba kasi hindi na-inform.
Oh, dalawa. Nahinati ko sila.
Nahinati sila.
So, ang alam ko
Alam namin talaga 12:30. Eh, kanina sinabi lang ng sister ko si Arlene na 9:30 kami. Eh, agad-agad kami.
Oo, kasi masyado ka na kasi silang marami.
Hindi na-inform.
Much better na hinati sila
Oo.
sa yung crowded.
At saka mainit lang to.
Oo.
Yeah. After yun, may klase pa kami.
Yan pang bilhin mo.
This one, Gabriel. Parang ano.
Si Healthy Boy.
Good morning! Good morning!
Nag-aaral sa Kumon kasi. After nito, magkukumon kami.
Oo, para ano, pagdating ng ano tong ano, meron kasi tayong ano eh, yung sa Miss B ng mga private.
Sali-sali natin yan. Sige po.
Susundo po ba kay Casey, si mami niya?
Yeah. Mamaya. Uwian na po ba nila?
Hindi po tatanong. Tinatanong ko si Casey. Casey, sinusunod sa'yo si mami mo? Hindi ko po alam.
Ay, na sino sa kanya, mami niya or daddy niya?
Tatanong ko lang po.
Good. Say good morning,
Si Jealousy. Ako.
Good morning, teacher.
Very good.
Halika! Gab, Gabe.
Gabe.
Halika, Gabe. Pupunta mahal ko. Pakinig mo muna ka, teacher, ha?
You have to listen, Gabe. You have to listen.
Pagpakilala muna ako ulit. Pagkatapos ko magpakilala, kayo naman magpapakilala para makilala ko rin kayo. Okay?
How's my school?
Ako si Teacher Jen. Sinong alit ako?
Teacher Jen.
Very good. O ngayon, kilala niyo na ako. Ako si Teacher Jen. Gusto ko malaman kung sino kayo. Me, sa first tense. Anong name mo, Jen?
Say!
Yan ang picture, ano? English yun.
Oh, English spoken eh. Oh, teacher. We have a no...
English speaking.
Yes, spoken louder.
English speaking boy. What's your name?
What is your name?
What's your name?
Don't be shy.
Wow. He is Gabriel. How about you, Kuya? What's your name?
Shelby.
Allen? Wow. So, this is Shelvin Allen. How about you, Ate?
Siya po si
Wow.
Kuya ko po si Kuya Aaron.
Siya pa sila. Ay,
Si Aaron mo. Aaron po. Grade 4. Siya po si Faye.
Hey. Okay, siya pa sila. Next na po tayo. What's your name? Pepe, what's your name? Julia. She is Julia.
Say hi,
Is Julia Bulkataan. Is that right?
How about you,
Julia? Joke lang.
Julia Chloe. Julia Chloe. Yan. Kilala ko na kayo.
See?
Ngayong
I had an
umaga,
idea.
I will teach you a song.
Okay.
Wow. Tag agad. We will sing this every morning. So here it goes. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
It's so nice
It's so nice
to have
to
you
have you
here
here
with me
with me
today.
today.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Howdy.
How
Do you do?
How do you do?
Hello.
Hello.
Good day.
Good day.
So here it goes. I will sing it first. Good morning. Good morning. You have to sway your body like this. Good morning.
a while. I am going to be using Teacher Joy, so you can
It's so nice to have you here with me today.
It's so nice to
Good morning. Howdy do, hello, good day. Okay, again, I'll sing it again. Then, after me, then you will sing with me again. First, good morning. I'll sing it again, ah. Good morning. How are you? It's so nice to have you here with me today. Good morning. Howdy do, hello, good day. Yes po. Okay, let's stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Let's sing it with action. It's action.
Stand up, be. Stand up.
Stand up. Bebe, stand up.
Gabriel, stand up. Teacher said stand up.
Follow after me, ah.
Take my turn to back.
Follow after me. Good morning. Swing your body like this. Oh, swing your body like this. Good morning. Yeah, that's right. How are you? Let's smile. It's so nice to have